Not for someone like me with big milk industry. God! Hey! This one title. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, ABS. And if you're new to my channel, hello. You're very welcome to my channel. For those returning subscribers, thanks so much for your continued support. I love you guys. I don't know if you guys can see my mood right now, like you're wondering how come Mama Isaac is dressed like this today. Today video guys is gonna be about shapewear, shape slimmer, waist trainer, anyone you call it. I'm so excited guys. I know there's gonna be a lot of TMO, too much opening. You all know the struggle. Like, I just had a baby. I'm 6 months postpartum. My baby just turned 6 months last week. Let me come back so you guys can see Mama Isaac. Let me just turn this camera. Guys, look at this. 6 months. That is if I'm not sucking this belly in. This is what my belly actually looks like 6 months later. Una, I don't want to be like this. Not Mama Isaac. No. Like this. Nobody likes that, guys. I still look like I'm 5 months pregnant. That is crazy, and I don't like that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying to lose weight right now. At the same time, I don't want to put so much pressure on myself. Like, you all know me on this channel, I'm never really the type that I love going to gym. So what I'm really doing to myself right now, I'm just controlling what I eat. That is how I prefer to lose my weight. I really control what I eat at the moment. At the moment, I'm on a weight loss journey, which I know my belly is still big, but my husband keeps telling me, Abby, I know you're going to lose it, you know? So I'm not in a rush. I just want to take my time. I'm always that kind of a person that immediately I put to bed, the next step is like, oh, how am I going to get my body back? I know it's not going to come back so quick. So for me, I'm one of those people that just want to wear waist trainers sometimes, not all the time. So I actually pick up some waist trainers. The one I pick, guys, is actually from Amazon US. I know that I have to pay for custom fee, for taxes to get to Europe. I was like, you know what, I don't mind. As far as this waist trainer is really going to make me snatch and make me look good. Some of them I already opened them. That's why you are not seeing them in the pack. I've never worn them before. I'm so excited right now. I have 5 waist trainers that we're going to be trying today. This waist trainer, their job is to actually snatch me back, push this bad boy inside. It's not that supposed to be the job of this. I keep calling them waist trainer, body shapers. That is supposed to be their job. And we're going to really see if these body shapers, if they're really worth it. Oh my god, my phone. I have to look for my phone right now so I can tell you guys how much I pay for these waist trainers. This one is Ihana. So I went with small in this one and I paid $24.99. This is my belly when I'm not sucking my belly in. I know on Instagram people see me like they comment, Abby, how did you snatch back? Anytime I take picture, I just suck in. When I suck in, people just think my belly is flat. Just suck in like this and smile, but I don't breathe too. This one is meant to be for training. Like, sometimes I do exercise at home, so this one is something that I can wear for my exercise. I still just feel like I want to tighten it more. You know when you just feel like it's loose? I think the size is really good. I think small and it's not that bad at all for the size. It is more tighter now. Quality is not bad at all. Like, it's really good quality, and the size is really good. Like, I picked small and it's just perfect. I think it's a good waist trainer. I think it's nice. The quality is good, but I just feel like it's just too short for me. Aside the fact I have fat around here. You see all these waist trainers, guys, when you see it on this website, they always use people with perfect body. Why will a company use someone that is already having flat belly? And you see these pictures. I would prefer if they use someone that has really like fat like this now, like me. They use it and we see. But these people will go and use models that are on fleek. And when you see, you're like, okay, is it that this waist trainer pushed me or what, you know? I'm not really a fan, really. It's a good waist trainer. Maybe for people that does not really have a lot of fat, this waist trainer is for you. Like, the quality is good. I love the fact that it's very true to size. I picked small and the size was just good. But if you have fat like me, just believe that all these fats, they are all going to rise up. As you can see, this fat right now, they are rising fat. I just decided to pick this one. I just think it's something different. So because it's a sleeve, guys, I decided to pick it. I picked small as well, and it's $25.99. I think if you have maybe fat around this area, this might really help you, because right now you can see the tightness I'm feeling. Wow. Wow, guys, I really like this one. I really like it. The fact that it snugged me, you can see that the fat, you see this fat that I hate, guys. I'm not seeing it. So I think this is really nice, guys. What do you guys think? Look at this. This one really pushed a lot in. I think it pushed it in, but I can still feel comfortable in it. I was really worried that this one might not size me. That was what I was worried about. I hate waist trainer that when you wear waist trainer, you can't breathe or you can't eat. Something like this, guys, I can eat, I can breathe. I can even work out on this. Like, if maybe I want to do exercise, and I think this might even be the kind of waist trainer I will wear. When I wear something on it, you guys can be able to tell. You can see the lines here, guys. This is not that kind of waist trainer you can wear under a dress. Maybe if you're wearing maybe like a jumper, like a cardigan, it's fine. But not on a dress. Like, you can see like the line is just showing. It's really comfortable. I can breathe. It does not even feel like I'm wearing waist trainer. Any waist trainer, I just hate the fact that they are lifting my fat up, my back fat up. But right now you can see that this one is really like, it just suck everything in. Like, I really like it because this is my first time of trying a shaper like this, and I really think if you like have a back fat, I think it's good. So I will keep buying a shaper that is really kind of covering this area. That is just going to make sure that my belly fat is not showing. I think if I put the hook on this number 4, guys, it should really suck it more, but I just don't think the number 3 really suck everything in. I prefer it that way because it's not that tight that way, and I'm going to be using it for training. If maybe I want to train at home, ask me the training that I'm doing. The size is small, waist 25 to 26 inches. That's small. Hey, God. Let's see. Oh my, I think it's that. Oh my gosh, guys. Are you kidding me? Guys. Are you kidding me? Wow, I love this, guys. This one really snugged me, eh? Wow. Guys, I really like this waist trainer. I say waist trainer, body shaper. You can see the way it just curved everything. I really like this. I like this one. You can't really wear this one under so many clothes. Like bodycon like this, you can't really wear it because the line is just gonna be showing. That is, I will give this one 6 out of 10 because you can see the line I'm not mad about. And the back is showing a little bit. I know I actually wore underwear inside as well. The wrong underwear inside, that might be the reason. So you can see that it's really hiding this fat around this area. It's not really showing that much. That's what I love about it. It's not pushing down. It's just there. It's thick there. It's not whole outfit I'll be wearing it in. Maybe if I'm wearing a outfit that is not bodycon, this would be a very good waist trainer. It's small and I paid $55. I think it's the most expensive at the moment. Let's see if it's worth it. This one feels so comfy, guys. I really love the material. It's like a cotton. It's really nice. Really nice. Doesn't look cheap, like, kind of. And I love the fact that it has a strap as well, especially when you're wearing like non-supportive bra. This one will support me. The lines are showing. I don't know why would they want to sell something like this. You cannot even make it invisible. You can see the lines are showing. People are just going to tell that you're wearing waist trainer. Waist trainer shining on everybody. They are not really hiding under my outfit. And I was really thinking this one is going to be hiding under my outfit, but right now it's showing. Anyways, I think the one I tried before this actually sucked everything in under this. Like, this one is actually $35. And the $24 one, I think that one was better. That one was not really as showing as this one right now. You can see this one is just showing like. Small as well, $18. This one is the cheapest out of all. Guys, look at this one. This one is just so bulky. It looks so cheap. It's not nice at all. I'm not even going to lie. You can see that it looks so bulky, it doesn't look smooth, it doesn't look straight. I don't even know who created this one. It's not for someone like me that has big boobs at all. You can see right now, I don't know if you can see. You can see the way it squashed my boobs. Did you see that? It's good for someone with smaller boobs, not with someone like me. Did you see my milk industry? Not for someone like me with big milk industry. Let me show you guys. Did you see the way it looks so bulky? It doesn't look smooth or straight. I can see why it's $18, guys. That is a no. I'm not even going to wear this one. Whoever created this one, let me show you. This is waste of money. $18 is waste. I'm not seeing any support. Maybe I can train with this one. That's what I can do. Because right now, you can't even wear this one without anything. Just use it the days I want to train at home. To train, there's not really much support. I can see why it's $18. I just think maybe because it's not my size. It's not too tight. You can see I even put the hook in the last one, the most tightest one. There's something about it that I don't understand. I just think around the boobs, too small. That is it, guys. I'm sorry if you're hearing noises in the background, my kids. So that is all the waist trainers. I hope you guys enjoy. The only one I waste my money on is just that one for $18, the last one. But everything else I think is fine. The other two that are body shapers, I think they are nice, but I still don't think they are that kind of a body shaper. I still want to wear under bodycons or those outfits that are very transparent. They really pushed everything and they are very comfortable. That's why I'll be wearing them. I like comfort when it comes to waist trainer. Anything that makes me breathe and I can still eat when I go out, that is what I will go for. All the sizes I picked, they are very, very true to size. I will try to list everything in the description. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you like, don't forget to thumb this video up. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content. And I catch you guys again in my next video. Catch you. Bye-bye.